If you're a new graphic designer and you're tired of not having a whole lot of flexibility with your design on Canva, or maybe you're just kind of scared to jump into Adobe Illustrator, I have the perfect tool for you guys today to check out, and that is CorelDraw Go. It is a beginner-friendly, browser-based design tool that lets you start designing without a huge learning curve or a fancy computer. You don't have to download anything, you can even use it on your laptop or even your iPad. And the best part about it is it's made for creating vector-based graphics, which is basically a fancy way of saying that you can create a graphic that you can size up and down without losing quality, meaning it is scalable. Okay, so here's why I think CorelDraw Go would be a great fit for new graphic designers. Number one is there's no heavy software installs, meaning you don't need the fanciest pro version of a computer. You can access this program directly from your browser. Second reason is because it's a very simple layout. I know that when I jumped into CorelDraw Go, it was really easy and intuitive to get the hang of because it just feels simple. It's not overwhelming with millions of buttons, and you really get to learn the program in a very simplified way. Third reason is because of the beginner-friendly tools. We have shape tools, text editing tools, color palettes you can click and use right away, and even adding images to the design is just very seamless and easy to do. I also love the fact that I can click on any part of the graphic inside of CorelDraw Go, move it around, resize it. Because it's a vector, it is completely editable. And of course, one of the greatest things about it is you can use this anywhere you are. If you're traveling, or maybe you don't want to bring your big computer with you wherever you're going, you can access this from anywhere you have an internet connection, which just makes it so easy to design on the go. Basically, this program gives you enough to get started without drowning you with options and an overwhelming platform. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to use. I'm gonna make a quick logo from scratch. I can grab a shape, tweak it, add text, change the colors, and boom, it's ready to download. One of the most awesome parts about CorelDraw Go too is you can download it as an SVG. That is actually really hard to find with other programs. And with that SVG file, you can actually bring it into the Corel platform or wherever you're designing anything else, and it's editable. It makes it so easy to have a scalable, vectorized graphic that was made on such a simple and easy to use platform. So just like how I showed you how to do the logo, you can do the same exact thing for social media graphics, presentation designs, flyers, whatever it is you're designing. You can take that same process and apply it and start to practice designing. I had to mention this to you guys because I know a lot of you are new into the design world, and maybe you're just intimidated to get started on other platforms, or you just want to get your feet wet with working with vectorized graphics. This is such a great platform for that. It will allow you to learn how to work with vectors. It would also help you learn how to get started with a blank canvas. I just feel this is such a great stepping stone into more advanced platforms, but also a really great tool that you can use on the go or for those quick graphics that you need to create without having to run a heavy software on your computer. Just open up your browser, create the graphic, and you are good to go. And also to help you gain confidence before you move on to maybe even more intensive programs or softwares. This will really help you get started and learn how to work with different graphics, and also create graphics very quickly without an overwhelming workspace. So let me know in the comments if you've ever tried CorelDraw Go or even Corel. I would love to hear. There's so many great programs out there, but this is such a great tool for any of you new designers or those of you who are just so busy and want a really simple workspace. But let me know down below if you've ever checked it out and what you think. But if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it so much if you gave it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, let me know if you have questions on CorelDraw Go, and I will see you in my next video.